I grew up in Ibadan and eventually moved to Lagos, where I did my primary school and finished secondary school. During that time, I quickly saw how the gap in access to technology helped me stand out from a lot of my peers. On a larger scale, that's happening today with artificial intelligence and across different industries. A lot of the banks, no matter how hard they try, they're not able to handle the high demand in customer complaints. There's a lot of paperwork, there's a lot of manual effort, a lot of errors, multiple verification steps, and this leads the banks to have up to 95 days, months trying to resolve an issue that globally the standard for those resolution times is just 15 days maximum, sometimes 5. What SwarmZero is doing is we're providing banks with artificial intelligence agents called AI agents, which are able to optimize their internal operations. So they can handle those issues much faster, with much more transparency and cheaper, and those banks can now serve their customers much better. And as we know here in Africa, every minute counts. I'm Thomas Njenrola, founder of SwarmZero, and we save Pan-African banks millions in operational inefficiency by using artificial intelligence.
Hello everyone, I'm Thomas Njenrola, and I've spent the last decade in North America building software for large enterprises and even working on enterprise AI at companies like PayPal, NASDAQ, ChainML, and Avast SecureKey. During my enterprise AI journey, I observed that there's still a massive untapped opportunity for artificial intelligence in the enterprise. Studies show that on average, 60% of a working day is lost to busy work. These are the repetitive manual tasks. At scale, that means businesses are losing time and money. However, today there is a new catalyst for productivity: artificial intelligence. We've all seen and heard the explosion of AI tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and more, but enterprises still have not been able to unlock the value that was promised. SwarmZero is the game changer. What we do is ensure that enterprise customer data is handled sensitively and is protected safely. We also make sure that enterprises are able to use any AI model of their choice, preventing vendor lock-in. And we make it easy and seamless for enterprises to integrate any of their existing systems to powerful AI. As an example, we identified that $45 billion is lost annually by Pan-African banks due to inefficient internal operations. So what we did was to build an AI agent for a very specific use case: payments reversals. What happens now is that banks can use this AI agent to proactively reverse and recover transactions due to incorrect debits on customers' accounts. That means the customers don't have to stand in line at the bank, and the banks can save themselves weeks of paperwork. The market opportunity alone for Pan-African banks with artificial intelligence is $31 billion. And we're currently in discussion about pilots with Pan-African banks. So we offer two things. The first is the tools that enterprises can use to build their own AI agents that can maximize productivity without having to write code. Secondly, we also ensure we partner with enterprises to actually build artificial intelligence services that are tailored to their needs. As of today, our AI agent tools are in demand, and we have 500 employees around the world waiting to use them. SwarmZero helps enterprises achieve more, and I'm happy to announce that we've opened up limited slots for enterprises who want custom AI services built for them. If you'd like to learn more, let's have a chat later. Thank you.